Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Image Search Man and giving it the permissions it needs. This lets the app access photos and capture new shots. Once done, choose whether you will upload an existing image or take one with the camera. Make sure the image is clear and cropped to the subject. Blurry inputs reduce matching accuracy. Then tap the search icon to begin. You're initiating the only supported flow, so follow these initial steps precisely to get reliable results. Once results appear, you should scan thumbnails and use the built-in filters to narrow matches by size, color, or date. This improves relevance. If a result looks promising, tap through to view the source and context so you can verify authenticity. If matches are noisy, crop the original image tighter around the subject and rerun the search to reduce false positives. Make sure to compare multiple results before concluding. This redundancy helps you to conclude, save useful matches to your album, or copy source URLs for later reference. This preserves provenance. If you need to use an image commercially or check licensing, inspect the source page for rights information. If results are missing or app crashes, force close and reopen, clear cache, and retry the same workflow. If problems persist, reinstall the app. One key troubleshooting tip: inconsistent permissions or a corrupted cache often causes failures. Reset permissions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.